Hey, welcome back. I'm in Saigon, Vietnam, heading to Nui Dat, the Bao Long Tan Cross, and Vung Tau. Enjoy.
This tunnel long only 2 kilometers. Only 2 kilometers. So, not open yet. Not open for tourists yet.
Jesus. There's bats in there.
Oh yeah, you totally let it go in here. That's funny.
$100 for you. I don't think your Russian friend would have made it through here.
No. Give him some credit. The things I do for you viewers. Ah, we're again.
Yeah, welcome to
Whoa!
Stay here to shoot when the French army came. So they build like the French. See?
Yeah.
Now with the current. So before the mud, before the mud only. And that time, 1930, 14, no village here. No people were here, you know?
Fighting base.
This is not into they lock. So,
So we're just on the Vung Tau Nui Dat tour, the Australian Army base. This is one of the tunnel systems built in the 40s for the Indochina War with France. It's not open to the tourist yet. Anyway, we've got the tour guide here, private car. Old mate in the yellow. We're going to go to Vung Tau, Nui Dat. Oh, it's a private car we got. A driver and a guide. We brought some flowers for the Battle Long Tan for the cross. All included in the tour. It's a Horseshoe Hill is right here. So just arrived at the Battle of Long Tan, the memorial, Australian memorial for it. It's not the original cross. The original cross is back in Australia. Anyway, got some flowers, going to pay respect. All the rubber plantations been chopped down for a farm. It's all bananas now. But across the road is all rubber plantations put in by the French. entering the rubber plantation where the battle took place. So all along here, the cross is just behind us. So this is where the battleground was.
First one, this is the second one.
Alright, so we're at Nui Dat now. So it's just a big quarry. This hill you see in front of us is the SAS hill. Half of it's been quarried out, so and maybe in 10 years' time there'll be no more hill, all be gone. But this is the actual new base, just a deserted quarry. There's still a couple of bunkers apparently on top of the hill, but they're soon to be destroyed. Oh, this is the chopper pads. It used to be called kangaroo pad. So the SAS hill, about a kilometre that way was the artillery. Infantry were another kilometre that way. Bases over there, base over there, all on. So Nui Dat. We can't go, this is all you can see. Can't go anywhere else. So over there is the original runway. And they've torn the old runway out, and this is the other part of the runway they've taken out. And SAS Hill is just over this tree line over here, pretty close. Alright, so at the Vung Tau lighthouse, established in 1910. So if you're a Vietnam vet, you would have come in from the harbour into the Australian headquarters over there, where that big building is. Behind that, the open ground. As I said before, where the lake is where the American base was. Right here. So that tower building there, behind that is where the Australian main base was, and a support battalion. And they used to get all the supplies from the ships coming in and then convoy it out to Nui Dat. It's overlooking Vung Tau. There's that Jesus statue. I hope we brought back some memories for people. That's what it looks like now. So apparently the village of Vung Tau used to be here, American base, around the lake, and then the Australian base. There wasn't much more. So we're on top of the lighthouse hill. This is where the French had their machine gun bunkers. One of the bunkers here. Another one over there. There's another one over there. Over there you can see the Jesus statue. Massive. Right, and there's Vung Vung Tau harbour. There's that guy again. He keeps, I don't know what it is. I've seen him so many times. It's weird. Oh, this is where the Australian troops used to come for R&R along the beach. Obviously, look at all these buildings here. Yeah, this is where the beach used to come to. So the Australian base is this building here.
Yeah.
Just so this is where they used to have the R&R. So I'll try and zoom in. So that's where that building is, just behind there. And the Australians used to have this whole beach here. Obviously nothing, no the infrastructure was there.
High tide, but the water can go.
Hope you enjoyed the short video of Vung Tau, Nui Dat and some Australian Vietnam sites. Anyway, enjoy, plenty more videos to come.